Reading the audience. Yes, how to read the audience. It's very important to read your audience mind, because accordingly, as a brilliant public speaker, you need to change your presentation according to the audience. Now, how to read your audience? So the audience give you a lot of cues. They have a lot of non-verbal cues, like for example, suppose somebody is consistently looking at the watch, or somebody is yawning, or somebody is just looking here and there, or somebody is looking back, right? Or somebody is just scrolling the mobile phone, right? So if you notice that 10% or 20% of the audience is doing this, somebody is yawning, somebody is watching the mobile phone, somebody is looking at the watch, you have to understand, or somebody is just bending the head. So you need to understand as a speaker that the audience is no more engaged. You need to understand that the audience is feeling bored. Yes, it is possible, even if you are a brilliant public speaker, but the best public speaker is the one who can understand the cues of the audience and act accordingly. Yes, as a public speaker, you need to be very tactful, as in how to change or how to take breaks in the presentation. Immediately you can change by saying something like asking the audience a question, or you can do some breather stretches, like okay, hands up, move left, move to the right. I do this a lot, and I really enjoy doing this, and even the audience enjoys this. Okay, I can also take a break, saying something like okay, all of you stand up, look to your right, say hey buddy, you are amazing, hey buddy, you are amazing, something like that. So this helps you to be more present with the audience, and the audience also starts enjoying, right? So read the audience. Stay tuned for the next video.